Hey guys, it's Mary. I have been so busy getting ready for Christmas, shopping, Christmas card making, and then the advent calendar every day that I realized that I haven't done a video on the newest Tonic craft kit, which I actually got early last week, I think. Yeah, I think so. Anyway, so I thought we'd give it a look. It's number 62, and it is called Wildflowers and Florals. And like I've said before, I don't get every month one box, but I do when there's something that I don't have. And the dies that come in this were just unusual, and I thought they were stunning, and I don't have anything like it. So let's get to it. I'm going to take everything out so it's much easier. Right off the top, you can see that it comes with a card and envelope. Let me get all this out of the way here. A package of ivory white, 10 cards and 10 envelopes, 5x7 size. And you know, while they are very pretty, the cream color, it's not something that I grab first. And I have seen in classes at events that I've taken where they've used cream and white together. And it just doesn't, I don't know, it just doesn't do it for me. And I think it's because my brain thinks symmetrical, and like the two together just make my brain hurt. So I think that's the problem. But it is a beautiful ivory white, you know, like you would make or use for invitations or announcements. And then it comes with a empty Nouveau Light Mist spray bottle, reusable ultrafine mist bottle with a lockable spray nozzle. And I have the Tim Holtz one, which is a little bit smaller, but works, I'm sure, the same way. But I might use one with alcohol, and then keep one with the water. Because I know that when you use the alcohol inks, that having a spritzer bottle of some isopol, whatever that, yeah, isopol, alcohol would be good. So I might give that a go with that. So that's in the box. We'll put that back over there. Let's take a look at the dies. And like I said, this one's called Wildflowers and Florals, 62. All right, so see, this was, I thought was so interesting. And that's where they're showing right here. And I just think it looks so cool. And then I love this huge frame. It's just, I mean, and they haven't done anything as far as just, you know, put it in a background. This has a light in it, actually. But it's huge. It's almost 7 inches, a full 7 inches, and just short of 5, so it would take up the whole 5x7 card. And then they've got these little, I got a card here, these little sayings that go in here and here. And they say, sending butterfly kisses, you are in my thoughts, sending love and kisses. And it says, and birthday wishes, thanks for being you. On this special day, thank you, I miss you just for you, best friend. And then these fit in here or in here. And this says, wait, I think it's upside down. If something were flowers, I'd pick you. So I think this sends sisters, mothers, friends. So if sisters were flowers, I'd pick you. If mothers were flowers, I'd pick you. So that's a good one for Mother's Day or a birthday. And then extra little flowers. And then this piece here is a little over 3.5 by, let's see, the biggest, almost 5. So they're both pretty substantial. All right, so let's go to the goodies and then we'll look at the paper. So we already got the envelopes and the spray bottle. So, and we've got shimmer powder, falling leaves. I already have a falling leaves, but can't have too much shimmer powder. I love shimmer powder. Oh, this is so pretty. So pretty. That and the green is just striking together. I really like that. Ooh, embellishment mousse. Yes. Lilac lavender. So we got the green, the lilac lavender. Nouveau Crystal drops in upside down buttermilk gloss. So it's a gloss, but it's called buttermilk. It's kind of a peachy, light peachy color. And then, oh, that's it. That's it for that. So there's the envelopes, the spray bottle, and then these 4. So let's go ahead and take a look at the paper. Oh, so pretty. All right, let me get my list out. This is, must be satin mirror card in soft amethyst. All right, classic card. Classic card in cream. Classic card in sea salt. Classic card in Aberdeen purple. And it says they're calling this pearlescent card in Blue Frost. I don't know. I see more green than blue. But it's beautiful. And it goes well. All right, let's put that green up against, or that blue up against this. All right, well, it looks more blue when you put it up against a green. So, all right. So 2 of each of those and 2 of those. So we've got 8 cards. It said you get one or the other, so we must have gotten a 9mm, because there's also possibly getting a 3mm. So, all right. So that's it for number 62, Wildflowers and Florals. And it is so pretty. See what they did in here. And I love that they put part of the die cut on the front of the envelope. Very pretty. Very pretty. So that's it. That's my dog you just heard. That's it for 62. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Let me know if you subscribe to the Tonic Craft Kits or pick them up individually. I subscribe, but like I said, I don't get each one. I pick and choose which ones I want, depending on what the dies are and the theme. And I don't ever get the boxes. So, yeah. So if you haven't subscribed yet and you've been thinking about it, you can hit the subscribe button. And then if you hit the bell, it will send you notifications when there's a new video to be watched. Right now it's really heavy with videos because of the Advent calendars, but usually it's like 2 times a week, maybe 3. So if you like this video, if you hit the like button, I would truly appreciate it. So so that's it. So leave me in comments what you think about this one, and if you have it. Also, I'm always looking to kind of, take a rest from one to another. So if you have a subscription, let me know what it is. I have the Tonic, and I have the Simon Says, and Altenews Build a Garden. Those are the 3 that I'm getting currently. But I'm always looking to swap one out and try something different. I was doing spellbinders for a while until they got into, about a year ago, the sewing cards. And the sewing is right up there with me, and fussy cutting. So I stopped that subscription. All right, so that's it. So thanks for joining me. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.